Take it away, Tita.
Okay. Can you guys hear me? Yeah? Okay. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am actually a little bit nervous. This is my first time here, but I'm super excited to share with you guys my journey in this business. Um, so anyhow, my name is Tita and I am originally from the Philippines. Mabuhay! Kumusta? Kabayan? But anyhow, I'm in Ontario, Canada now, and I am a mom, I am a wife, and I am a digital business owner. So I am so grateful that I actually have found a job that I really love. Um, I started as a nanny. I work as a housekeeper as well, and then move up into sales and marketing. And then I was actually a VIP services manager when I found this business 3 years ago. So I worked in the resort, and weekends and holidays were my longest hours. Both me and my husband worked in the resort, and guess who's staying home alone? It was my son. So I was like, oh my God, this has to stop. I have to do something. And so when I found this business, I was a little bit scared, of course, but I did it anyway because I knew if I don't do anything, nothing will change. Well, so when I got my first pay, I was like, oh my God, I was so excited because that means so much to me. It just validate my decision and tells me that I am in the right business. But my excitement did not stop there. Last year in August, I hit my first 5 figures month. I was like, oh my goodness, it just solidified my decision, my belief that the potential of this business is limitless. And it's not only all about money. I feel I'm growing personally as well, and I'm helping other business owners as well, which is amazing feelings. And just last month, I paid off my car loan. I paid off my whole year car insurance. I was like, oh my god! And the latest paycheck that I have was actually 4,470. It's amazing, guys. So I'm what I'm gonna tell you is that if you are here checking about this business, if this is legitimate or not, yes, we are 100,000% legitimate, and we are live. We are alive. So pat yourself in the back for doing the first step. And I didn't have a business background. I'm not a tech savvy at all, but with the step-by-step training that we have in this business, within 2 weeks, my business was up and running. It's very easy to follow. So give yourself a chance. And the best part that one of the best features that I like in this business is the flexibility. I was already busy when I started. But whatever time you have, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you can build your business with that. So give yourself a chance and go for it. So I hope my story resonate with you, and take it. Go for it. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank you.